Hey there! Welcome to this tutorial where I'll walk you through how to export your Wix website to HTML. If you've ever wanted to have a standalone HTML version of your Wix site for backup, editing, or sharing purposes, you're in the right place. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save your Wix site as an HTML file that you can open, edit, or use however you like. Let's jump right in. First up, you'll want to publish your Wix site if you haven't already. This sounds simple, but it's an absolutely crucial step. Publishing means your latest changes and updates are live and visible on the web. That way, when you export your site, you're working with the freshest version. So just head to the editor and hit that Publish button. If you're feeling unsure about whether you need to publish, look for any changes you've made that aren't showing up yet. Publishing brings them to life. Once your site is published, it's time to visit the live version. You can usually do this by clicking View Site or simply copying the live URL into your browser and heading there directly. Think of this step like looking at your house from outside, rather than inside the builder's model. You're seeing exactly what all visitors will see. Now, here's a handy browser trick. Right-click anywhere on your website's live page. You'll see a menu pop up. Look for the option that says Save As. This tool lets you save the current web page onto your computer, and here's where a tiny detail makes a big difference. In the Save dialog window, you'll see a field to choose the format. Make sure to pick Web Page, HTML only. It might default to Web Page Complete, but for the purposes of a clean export and simple editing, you'll want just the HTML. The HTML only option strips away the excess files and gives you a clean, basic web page file. So select that, and then choose where to save the file. Your desktop is always a good choice for easy access. Give it a meaningful name if you wish, or just go with the default for now. Hit Save, and your browser will do the rest. This step can take a few moments, especially if your site has larger images or more content, so just hold tight. Once it's saved, go to where you placed your new HTML file. Now, let's say you want to look at the underlying code or make some custom tweaks. That's super easy. Just right-click on the file and choose Edit in Notepad. Notepad is a basic text editor that comes with Windows, perfect for peeking at your HTML. This is where you can see all the nuts and bolts that make up your web page, the structure, the styling links, and everything in between. And that's it. You now have a saved HTML file of your Wix website, ready for backup, further editing, or even sharing with someone who just needs the simple static version. It's a really straightforward process, and you don't need any fancy tools, just your browser and Notepad. If you ever run into anything unexpected, maybe the formatting looks off or you're unsure about a certain part, don't worry, that's normal when learning a new web trick. Feel free to ask questions in the comments below. I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with any thoughts or questions, and make sure to subscribe for more simple, actionable web guides just like this. See you in the next video.